This is the kneading base of the Rotimatic, and it has been in use for over 2 years now. As you can see, in the middle of it, there is this black portion, which I think is mold and needs to be cleaned. So I'm going to open it up by removing these screws. These are Torx T20. It has been opened. Let's see. Okay, so this is how it is looking on the inside. So pretty dirty. And this is what it is looking like. So let me wash it and then I'll show you. So this is how everything looks after the cleanup. I used a household detergent and an old toothbrush to make sure I cleaned all the nooks and crannies. And I also cleaned the screws and washers as they were also dirty. The assembly is just the reversal of the disassembly procedure. Make sure you hand tighten the screws to avoid any cross threading. Thanks for watching.